Hello? Here at the Cohen Group, our goal is to position your home powerfully for internet-based engagement. I've never said that sentence in my entire life, so let's turn it over to our marketing team.
Our media package includes professional home photos, a cinematic walkthrough tour, and a 3D Matterport tour.
For some listings, we also include drone photos or amenities highlights. It just depends on the specific characteristics of that home. Staging is also a great option to showcase especially vacant homes, so that's something to discuss with your agent ahead of time during the listing process. For most of our listings, we also include a home book that shares property details, additional photos, special features, and what's going on in the neighborhood. Also, if you have any septic records, permits, or other property documentation, you'll want to pass those along to our listing manager or your agent. They'll funnel them to us and we'll include that as part of the listing package. The whole marketing and media package is there not only to make your home look great, but also to share all of the pertinent information with possible buyers, to smooth out their pathway as much as possible.
Listings go out on the Northwest MLS and then are syndicated to brokerage websites and aggregators like Zillow and Redfin. Our team is very active on social media, so our listings go out on at least a dozen accounts.
While in this day and age, most marketing happens online, there's also some pieces at your home. All of our listings have not only that classic for sale sign, but also a smaller sign with a text for information code. So someone walking down the street could text that number and pull up the listing right then and there.
I will also be hosting open houses and meeting some of the neighbors. All of this with the ultimate goal of lining up as many showings as possible.